Hey y'all, welcome back to True Love Designs. Today is all about getting ready to sew. Before we even sit at the machine, we're doing all the prep work. Printing and assembling the pattern, cutting fabric, pressing pieces, and gathering everything we'll need. Now I know prep day might not sound exciting, but it's such a game changer. When you take time to prepare, you save yourself so much stress later, and you'll thank yourself when things start coming together on day one. I'm trimming and taping together all of my PDF patterns. I like to work a few rows at a time. It keeps the pieces flat and manageable. Specifically, I'm putting together the Elizabeth caftan, which is a charm pattern by Gertie. I love the way this caftan looks, the way it is styled, how it hangs and flows, and most of all, this caftan was inspired by Elizabeth Taylor. If you're following along, or if you use PDF patterns at home, take it slow. Check those alignment marks before cutting. Trust me, it's worth the patience. The Ellie and Mac patterns, in my opinion, are a little bit easier and quicker to put together as you don't have to trim any edges. You simply match the page edges up to this little margin here and tape it. Next thing I did was cut my fabric. It's already pressed, so everything lays nice and smooth. A sharp rotary cutter and some pattern weights make this step quick and satisfying. Now let's talk notions. Thread, zippers, interfacing, all the little things that make a project complete. I like to gather mine in one of the see-through shoe boxes I showed a couple videos back. That way, when I'm ready to sew, everything's right there within reach. And yes, I tidy as I go. It's the only way to survive sewing in a small corner space. Every bit of order helps keep the creativity flowing. Prep isn't just busy work, it's part of the process. It's the mindset shift that says, I'm creating something special. That's what this whole Busy Sewists Strategy series is about. Building habits that help you sew smarter, not harder. So as you watch, feel free to sew along. Gather your supplies, your patterns, and your motivation, because day one is where the stitching begins. And if you're joining the series for the first time, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single day. Let's make sewing fit your life, one small session at a time. See you in episode 1.